winter, sweater attracts your hair. When you rub a pen, it attracts pieces of paper. Your phone is touch sensible. It is the electrostatics in dielectrics. Electrostatics by physics lover. Conductors and insulators. You know insulators are called dielectrics. Conductors, an external field is applied on such a substance, those free charges move under the effect of it. Insulators, an external field is applied on such a substance, those charges not move under the effect of it. In electric field and insulating or dielectric media, in the first part, if the molecule of substance do not possess permanent electric dipole, or second, if the molecule of substance have permanent electric dipole, called polar dielectrics. In the polarization of solids, polarization is not only optics, it atomics. If an atom equilibrium state, delta is the distance between two centers, then we can say that the electric dipole moment induced in the direction of external field atom is equal to Ze delta. In induced electric dipole, P is alpha E. In bound surface charge density, sigma B is P dot n cap. In bound volume charge density, delta B is minus del dot P. In Gaussian's law, del dot E is rho by epsilon naught. In D is epsilon naught E plus P, where P is epsilon naught x E dot E and del dot P is rho F. Work function and boundary conditions. Boundary conditions is important. In the work function, W is 1/2 integration of rho F V del tau is integration of D dot E del tau. In boundary condition, D is epsilon E. In boundary condition for D, D1 dot N1 is D2 dot N2. In boundary condition for E, E parallel of 1 is E parallel of 2. In polarization of liquids, not only liquid bound with solid but not polarizable. In E micro is E self plus E local is Kp by R square plus P by N alpha, where K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. In epsilon is 1 plus Xe. In Xe is L N alpha by epsilon naught upon 1 minus N alpha by 3 epsilon naught. In alpha is Ka cube. In Xe is 3F upon 1 minus F, where F is A by R whole cube. In the polarization of gaseous state, also not only gas but bound with solid, not polarizable, potential energy V is minus P dot E. E is N sin phi d phi by 2 and phi d phi is N e raised to minus V by kt d omega. In P is N P square by 3 kt into E, and Np square by 3 kt is orientation of polarizability. In Xe is N by epsilon naught alpha plus P square by 3 kt. In this, it is the term of what we saw about it, where P is polarizable density. Think that it is the small p. In alpha is polarizability constant, E is electric field, sigma B is bound surface charge density, rho B is bound volume charge density, D is displacement vector, psi E is electric successibility, P of rho F is free charge density, K is Boltzmann constant, and T is absolute temperature. In all of these is a vector, not scalars, uh, another of constant. You are guys amazing. Thank you for watching. This is Clara.